welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and please subscribe my channel. And if you connect with me on social media platform, I give social media link in a description box. Connect with me. Let's start our job. Our first job from SCL. SCL is hiring for troubleshooting analyst for work from office location, and location is Hyderabad, and this is night shift job, and experience need 0 year, and salary is 50,000 to 2.25 LPA per annum, and location is Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Telangana. Profile is technical troubleshooting. Responsibility is, you can see here, you can and a skill required, you have basic understanding of HTML, JavaScript and CSS, and knowledge of technical troubleshooting, and a strong analytical skill. Communication skill, you must need English. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is from a software developer job for from Gurugram location, and salary is 6 LPA to 12 LPA per annum, and this is the job type is in office, and there are total 4 opening, and experience need 0 to 3 year of experience need here. This is the job description, you can see here, and you have knowledge of Java, Node.js, and front end, back end, and how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Finstar. Finstar is hiring for intern, and this is your job description and responsibility. You can see here quality engineer, associate quality engineer, and you must knowledge of Java, Python, and knowledge of SQL, and you have completed your graduation in not before 2022. It means you have completed your graduation in 2022 and 2023 students, and minimum CGPA needs 7 CGPA. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply, and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Harmonic. Harmonic is hiring for associate QA engineer for R&D Broadband India, and this is your job description, and this is your location is hybrid, working at 3 to 4 day week from office in a Bangalore location, and you have knowledge of DUT development and QA engineer, and you have knowledge of agile environment also, and your qualification need like you have completed your BTech, and you have a minimum score of 70% during your completion of this course, need like 10th, 12th and graduation also, and you have much knowledge of Python, Bash, and how to apply this job? You have simply click apply, and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Cisco. Cisco is hiring for data science analyst for intern, and this is your job, and this is your job description, you can see here, and this is your specialized domain, data engineer, data science and data analytics, and you have need a skill like both operation and financial data analytics, and you have knowledge of R, Python, SQL need, and this is all about your desired skill need here. And how to apply this job? You have simply click click apply and fill the detail. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend, and please like this video.